Existing unallocated sales and purchase transactions are displayed automatically. Due dates are used to forecast expected payments or receipts. Settings can be changed to use the average time to pay from the customer record for sales transactions. You can exclude Sicon intercompany control account transactions. Forecast dates can be cleared when due dates have been changed. To view sales and purchase transactions, open the cash flow screen and select the cash flow set you're working with. Expand the sales section and then the sales ledger. To see balances by account, make sure the level of detail is set to account. To see the balances per transaction, change the level of detail to document. Green text is money expected in, and red text is money expected to go out. These are set up within the settings. Expand an account to see the transaction balances. You can view the transaction details by right-clicking on the balance and choosing the View Transactions option. In this example, it's used the due date to forecast the expected receipt. You can set the forecast date directly from the screen if you wish, or alternatively, you can set the forecast choosing the right-click option, or you can drag and drop. When amending the due date for a transaction, the system can be set up to clear the forecast date. So if I change the due date, you'll see the forecast date has been cleared. If you have permission to view and amend customer account details, you'll be able to view this information using the right-click option. This will open the inquiry screen where you can view the details, or can view existing memos entered directly on the account or add additional memos. You can use the Credit tab to view the average time to pay. System can be set up to use this information instead of the due date to forecast when it expects the transactions to be paid. In this instance, it's a negative figure because this customer tends to pay deposits. Memos can be added directly to customer and supplier account records or via the Add View Memos option. Other flags and icons can be seen to highlight additional information. In this instance, unallocated receipts. You can use the key to see what the symbols represent.